Hi, I am Dr. K. Rani, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. My subject name is Business Environment and Communication. My topic name is Research Development. What is research development? Research development for research and represent in a business context, and its power is a such much wider and more complex area that we will now explore, sir. Research and development is the generation of new knowledge in a business context. It is an activity that companies undertaken in order to develop new product, process or service or improve those that already exist. In order to this business often take off risk. This is because uncertainty exists around if what they are attempting is technological feasible, or more commonly they do not know how they will achieve their objectives in practical terms. Research development is essential function for many business launching new offering or improving existing ones. If a way for a business to remain competitive and make profit when developing a new product, process or service, or refining an existing one. Research and development is one of the earliest peers. Experimentation and innovation is often ripped and this stage along with risk. The research and development cycle often begin with ideation and theories, followed by research and exploration, and then into design and development. Types of research and development. All research and development trends to start with ideas and theories. This can relate to identifying issue or new opportunity. Basic research is all about acquiring knowledge and using it to build understanding and intelligence that a business can use to its advantage. This knowledge can be foundation for further research and development project and feed into strategy, business decision. Applied research. Applied research is lot more defined and often look to achieve a specific objectives. This could be using new technology, reaching a new market, improving safety, or cutting cost. Applied research is often what lead to the development peers. The design and development peers is all about taking an idea and making it into a product or process effectively. It is about translating the research into commercial product or more service. It often involves design, prototyping, trials, testing, and refinement. Pro- Prototype using is key to the development peers, as it allows you to identify overall issue and improve the design. New product research and development. Research and development, the product development often go hand in hand. Rapid change in consumer demand and emerging technology means there always a need to adapt. Before developing new product, you need a deep understanding of the market and the user need. Improving existing product or process. The continuous equation of existing product, service, and process is also a key part of research and development. If a product, service, or process is no longer profitable or adding value in a market, then it risks stagnating. Research and development product. uh, Research and development project are set up achieve a range of objectives and business needs. These could be around introducing a new product or service, improving an existing process, or utilizing new technologies. Uh, Research and development in business. What emerging technology and fast changing market, research and development in business is more important than ever. What is research and development in business? Business will approach research and development different way, with different organizational structure, implementing different research and development strategy. How research and development leveraged internally also variety dramatic between business, having significance bearing in terms of its overall impact. Thank you.